Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Bushra Shahzad. This lecture is the continuity of the previous lecture on protein misfolding. In the previous lecture, we discussed protein misfolding and Alzheimer's disease. Learning outcomes and objectives is to have basic knowledge of types, biochemical basis and clinical features of transmissible spongiform encephalopathies or Crohn disease. Today we are going to discuss another conformational disease, transmissible spongiform encephalopathies or Crohn disease. Crohn stands for proteinaceous infectious agent. Crohn protein particles lack the nucleic acid, normally found in brain on the surface of neuron, so it is called host protein. It is fatal neurodegenerative disease characterized by spongiform changes, stereocytic gliomas and neuronal loss, resulting from the deposition of insoluble protein aggregates in neural cell. Crohn protein is the causative agent of fatal transmissible spongiform encephalopathies, including Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease in human, variant Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease in younger, scrapie in sheep, and bovine spongiform encephalopathy occur in cattle, commonly named as mad cow disease. Crohn protein cellular is a non-infectious form having same amino acid and gene sequences. Number of alpha helices present in non-infectious Crohn protein cellular are replaced by beta sheet in the infectious form in Crohn protein scrapie. Conformational differences causes resistance to its proteolytic degradation. Infective agent Crohn protein scrapie is the altered version of the normal protein, which is the Crohn protein cellular. Crohn protein scrapies act as a template for converting the Crohn protein cellular to Crohn protein scrapie. Crohn disease may manifest themselves as infectious, genetic, and sporadic disorders. No viral or bacterial gene encoding the pathologic Crohn proteins could be identified. That's why sources and mechanism of transmission of Crohn disease remain elusive for many years. Human Crohn related protein is a glycoprotein encoded on the short arm of the chromosome 20. Normally is monomeric and rich in alpha helix. Pathologic Crohn proteins serve as the templates for the conformational transformation of the normal Crohn protein, known as Crohn protein cellular, into Crohn protein scrapie. Crohn protein scrapie is rich in beta sheet with many hydrophobic aminosyl side chains. When Crohn protein cellular interact with its pathologic isoform Crohn protein scrapie, its conformation is transformed from a predominantly alpha helix structure to the beta sheet structure, which is characteristic of Crohn protein scrapie. The conformation of Crohn protein scrapie aggregates into multimeric protein complexes which are resistant to proteolytic degradation. Because Crohn protein scrapie molecules associate strongly with one another through their exposed hydrophobic regions. The accumulating Crohn protein scrapie units coalesce to form insoluble protease resistant aggregates. Prion disease can be transmitted by the protein alone without involvement of DNA or RNA. Here you can see conformational difference between prion protein cellular and prion protein scrapie, both having same amino acid sequence but different conformations. Prion protein scrapie due to beta pleated sheet aggregates into multimeric protein which is resistant to proteolytic degradation. This is the diagrammatic representation of exponential increase of infectious prion protein with non-infectious prion protein. This is non-infectious prion protein cellular which contain alpha helix. This react with infectious prion protein scrapie which contain beta pleated sheet. Now we have two infectious prion protein having predominantly beta pleated sheet. Interaction of infectious prion protein molecule with a normal prion protein causes the normal form to fold into the infectious form. Now these two infectious prion protein interacted with two non-infectious prion protein resulting in formation of 4 infectious prion protein. This result in an exponential increase of the infectious form which is prion protein scrapie having predominantly beta pleated sheet. Clinical features include rapidly developing dementia, difficulty walking and changes in gait, jerking movements of the muscles, hallucinations, muscle stiffness, confusion, fatigue and difficulty in speaking. Transmissible spongiform encephalopathies are invariable fatal. No treatment is currently available. Today's lecture is from Harper and Lippincott Biochemistry. Thank you very much.